Greetings, dear viewers. Today, we're embarking on a captivating exploration into the world of artificial intelligence, a technological marvel that has revolutionized our lives. From personalized recommendations to autonomous vehicles, AI has become an integral part of our daily experiences. Let's unravel the complexities of AI in an easy-to-understand manner. Definition of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. It's the creation of smart machines that can think and learn, akin to human intelligence. Understanding AI through examples. Consider the recommendations you receive on platforms like Netflix or Amazon. AI algorithms analyze your previous choices and preferences to suggest new movies, books, or products. Voice-activated assistants like Siri or Alexa utilize AI to interpret and respond to your commands. It's like having a virtual helper who understands and acts upon your requests. How AI works. At its core, AI learns from data. It's like teaching a child through exposure to different examples and experiences. For instance, to teach AI to recognize animals, it's shown images of various animals. The more data and varied examples AI is exposed to, the better it becomes at identifying patterns and making predictions. AI applications in everyday life. AI is deeply embedded in our daily lives. Social media feeds, for example, are tailored using AI to show content that aligns with your interests and behaviors. Email spam filters use AI to detect unwanted emails, while navigation apps like Waze use AI to provide real-time traffic updates and suggest faster routes. AI applications. Healthcare. In the realm of healthcare, AI aids in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images like X-rays and MRIs. It can detect patterns or anomalies that might not be easily visible to the human eye. AI also plays a crucial role in drug discovery, analyzing vast amounts of data to identify potential drug candidates. AI applications. Robotics and automation. AI is powering robots to perform tasks autonomously, from assembling products in factories to exploring hazardous environments. These robots learn and adapt to their surroundings through AI algorithms. AI and ethical considerations. As we embrace AI, we must also consider the ethical implications. AI systems can inadvertently inherit biases present in the data they are trained on, potentially leading to unfair outcomes or discrimination. Ensuring AI is developed and used ethically is paramount, promoting fairness, transparency, and inclusivity. Future of AI. The future of AI is dazzling. We envision AI systems that not only understand and process data but also comprehend emotions, create art, and collaborate in solving global challenges like climate change. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is an ever-evolving field with immense potential. It's about creating intelligent machines that can think, learn, and make informed decisions, just like we do. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of AI and stay updated on the latest advancements, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're excited to unravel more about AI and related topics in our upcoming videos. Thank you for embarking on this illuminating journey into AI with us.